What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Smelly Telly. Today we're going to be learning Fortunate Son by Creedence Clearwater. This song has got some really cool bluesy guitar licks in it. I got the Gibson out today. Let's get to it. Sweet. Okay, Fortunate Son, Creedence Clearwater. The main opening riff to this song sounds like this. And that's played twice. Now what's really interesting about this song is they, in the studio, turn their guitars down a whole step. So this is not an E chord, it's actually a D chord. So your low note here is a D, G, C, F, A, and another D. Okay? To play this first riff, you're going to start on the G string, which is now turned to an F. I'm just going to call them your standard tuning strings to keep it easy for you so you don't have to translate. Start on the 4th fret of that G string, slide up to the 6th fret. Then you're going to play the 5th fret on the high E string. Then you're going to go down to the 2nd fret on that G string, slide up to the 4th fret. Then play the 3rd fret of your high E string. Then you're going to hammer on from the open G to the 2nd fret. Play the 2nd fret of your high E. Do the same thing on that G string, hammer on, open to the 2nd fret. And then play an open E. You're going to reach over with your 3rd finger here, play the 3rd fret of your A string, give it a little bend. It's not a full half step. It's kind of like a half step, maybe a quarter bend here. So instead of going up a half bend, you're just going to go a quarter bend. And then you play that twice. So we'll do it slow. 2, 3, 4. Second time. You'll notice between the two licks I let that A string ring as I came up and played that next lick. Alright? Okay, to play the solo, you're going to start on your G and B strings. You're going to slide these up. You're going to go up to the 9th fret and the 8th fret. 9th fret G string, 8th fret B string. Then move it down 1 fret to the 8th fret of your G string, 7th fret of your B string. You're going to play this double stop again, but you're going to slide it down to the 3rd fret for your B string, 4th fret for your G string. Let's do that part real quick again. You'll notice I'll pluck it, slide down, and play it again when I get there. And then the next part, you just slide this up to the 6th fret for your G string, 5th fret for the B string. And you play that twice. So to start the second half of the solo, you just slide up to that 9th fret on your G string, 8th fret on your B string. I'll give you a better slide there. Move it down 1 fret. Slide down to the 4th and 3rd fret. Then slide up to the 6th and 5th fret. And that's it for the solo. So real slow. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then over the verses of the song, you're just going to play the A shape here, G shape, D shape, A again. And then he's going to throw in a little lick here. And then he plays the second part of the verse there. So to play that lick, you're going to start on your 5th fret of the G string, give it a little quarter or half bend. Then go down to your 2nd fret of that G string. Play the 5th fret of your D string. Go back to the 2nd fret of the G string. 3rd fret, little quarter bend. Then let it go to the open string. Let's do that nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Full speed. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the second half of the verse, same strumming pattern, same chords. And before you go to the chorus, he throws in another lick. That lick sounds like this. Okay, to play that lick, you're going to bend the 3rd fret of your A string, quarter bend. Then play the 2nd fret of your D string, 2nd fret of your G string, 5th fret D string, little quarter bend, 2nd fret G string, quarter bend, 3rd fret A string, open A. So it sounds like this. Let's do it nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. Full speed. 2, 3, 4. And then you're into the chorus, and in the chorus they go to the 1, 4, 5 progression. So that's A, E, D shape. And on this chord he plays another lick in the chorus. It sounds like this. To play that, you're going to play the open D and the 2nd fret of your G string like a double stop. On the D string, 3rd fret, hammer on to the 4th fret. Move your 2nd finger over to the B string, 3rd fret. 2nd fret of your G string. Give it a little quarter bend on the 5th fret of that G string. And then play your A chord. A power chord, that is. So again, it looks like this. Let's do it slow. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Full speed. 2, 3, 4. And then you play the chorus a second time, just the same chords there. And that's it for Fortunate Son. So let's play a verse and put those licks in there, and then we'll play the chorus and we'll also put the licks in there. We'll start with the intro like we're actually playing the song, and at the end of that first chorus we'll just play the guitar solo, and then after that we'll bring in the band, we'll take it full speed. So it goes like this. 2, 3, 4. Great, let's take it full speed with the band. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Hope you learned something today. If you did like the video, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Every time you do, it makes it easier for me to make more guitar lesson videos for you. Also, don't forget to pop over to smellytelly.com. There are more guitar lessons for you there. We'll see you next time. Take care.